marketing and marketing mix. Okay, marketing. It's a very important lesson. Marketing, and in the college level you will deal about this. Marketing mix. Okay. Marketing. What is meant by marketing? Okay, in order to satisfy the human needs, to produce more goods and to make that goods which are needed by the consumer, they in order to satisfy them. Okay, marketing, it includes the flow of activities which makes the buyer to buy that product, influence the buyer to buy the product, to attract the product, to influence the product, to motivate the product. Okay, it is the main goal of the marketing is make the product will to be sold by the consumers and to reach in the hands of the consumers. To be simply say marketing. Okay, you will see the marketing persons. Okay, see everybody. We used to say in the common terms, kalthula tai, vaayila poi, kaiyila pai. Okay, so likewise they used to say marketing. They doesn't need about. They don't concentrate on the quality of the products. Okay, they want only to satisfy the human needs and to produce the more goods and to sell that product to the consumers. Okay, it is one of the business functions. Okay, it is one of the major. Sound YouTube. Okay, so it is one of the major functions, okay, which makes the consumer to satisfy what all the needs that he wants. Okay, marketing, it is include the ING, I told you, it includes a set of activities. Okay, why we are marketing the product? Okay, how do we know the product? Only by marketing the products. The products are produced at one end of the area and they are consumed at the other end of the area. In between these gaps, how it is filled, how we know the product, how this product has been introduced in the market by marketing the product. See, we have more number of the products. For example, we know first of all the Maggi was introduced. Okay, we know the Maggi taste and all. Okay, all the ages are addicted to the Maggi taste. Is it true or not? Yes. But after we know only one product. Okay, by consuming the taste only, we are going to like the product because before that there will be noodles. Okay, then after consuming the taste of the Maggi only, we came to know, okay, that noodles is better than the Maggi taste. Okay, how do we know? By marketing the product. What is meant by marketing? By through advertisement, promotional mix. Okay, by announcing in the radios or the televisions about the actors. Okay, which we like most. Because of these things only we are able to know the product, that this product has been introduced in our India, and after consuming only, how do we know this product? We have to buy the product and we have to consume. If we like the taste, quality, quantity, packaging, design, price, everything, then we are addicted to the product and then we are going to use the product. Then we can call as consumers. Okay, because there is different terms, users and the consumer. Those who bought the product and consuming the product only is called consumers. Okay, so marketing by the advertisement, by the promotional mix only, we can know that this product has been introduced. So because of these pictures, we are addicted to the product, the price, discount, quality, quantity, packaging, and the designs. Okay, and it is how it is useful. Okay, and likewise everything compromises of the marketing areas. Okay, so marketing and marketing mix. The marketing in general terms, it will be simply said, listen, Marketing is one of the business functions that all the activities takes place in relation to the markets for actualize the potential exchange for the purpose of satisfying the human needs and the wants. Okay. The idea was later on changed by shifting the emphasis for exchange to satisfaction of human wants. Okay. Now we are going to deal about the evaluation of marketing. Okay. The second concept is evaluation. Evaluation of marketing. First preference is barter. Okay, we know barter. Then next one is production orientation. Then sales orientation. Then next one is customer orientation. And the last one is management orientation. Okay, it's a 5 mark, important 5 mark. Evaluation of the marketing flows under this 5 things only. One is barter system. We know barter system. What is mean barter system? It is what is the exchange of the goods for one and another. Okay. In the olden days, this system was very evolved and much more important. Okay. Barter system. It is an exchange of the goods for one purpose of the another purpose, and in these areas only the concentration on the barter orientation. There is no much importance given to the money. Okay. If you need a wheat, if I am producing in a rice, both the purpose of this have been exchanged without considering the money value. Okay. Next we are moving on to the production orientation. Okay. In the production orientation, in this area, the marketers, okay, the marketing people doesn't consider about the customer satisfaction. The most important thing, they want to produce more goods and they want to sell the product without considering, without ignoring all the customer preferences, or they care only a little preferences about the customers. Okay, the only point that you have to keep in mind over here, they produce, their concentration is only to produce in a bulk goods. Not about considering the quality, they are considering about the quantity, and they have not considered about the customer preferences or the taste or the qualities. Okay. Next we are moving on to the sales orientation. Okay. Why we are doing in a business? In order to run in a profit. How we will earn a profit? By selling in a product. Because they are not concentrating about the internal features or the external features of the market. Okay. They consider only by selling. We have produced in abundance and we have to sell that product. Okay. Here the marketing area is considered on the sales orientation. And moving on to the customer orientation. What is the customer? Here only the real fact lies over here, because in this they want to produce the goods which are needed by the customer and which are needed by the customer preferences. For example, I used to say Royal Enfield. Okay, here the Royal Enfield, they will not be produced in a bulk areas or not. Okay, it will be in a limited only, depending upon the customer preferences and customer what is the expectation, they will produce the goods. Here they consider more only about the quality, not about the quantity. Okay, because it gives us some prestige. Okay, it gives the reputed customers. Okay, so likewise this here, the customer preferences and the customer satisfaction is a very important. Okay, in a 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers and all, they will not produce in a bulk areas. Only they will consider more about the quality. Okay, so that we can say as a customer orientation. And the last one is management orientation. Okay, management, they have to consider in all the things, that is in administration, financing, accounting. Okay, and in producing all the goods it should involve. Okay, so these are the evaluation of the marketing. One is the barter system. Okay, got my point. Second one is production orientation, sales orientation, customer orientation, and management orientation. Quickly I will read out the points. If I left out, you can have an idea about that. The barter system, the goods are exchanged against the goods without any other medium of exchange like money, no money given preferences. Then production orientation, this was the stage where the producers, instead of being concerned with the consumer preferences, concentrate on the mass production of the goods. Okay. Sales orientation, the stage witnessed major changes in the economical, like the selling become the dominant factor without the efforts of the satisfaction. consumer orientation. Under the stage, only such products are brought forward to the market which are capable of satisfying the taste, preferences and the expectation. And moving on to the management orientation, the management function assumes a managerial role in coordinating all interaction of the business activity with the objective of planning, promoting and distributing the want satisfying products and services to the present and the potential customers. See, I can teach in my own, okay? In order to know each and every point only, I am dictating it, okay? So, in the management orientation, it should involve the planning, okay? It should involve the planning, promoting and distributing the want satisfying goods, okay? Yes, these are the evaluation of the marketing. Now, next we are going to deal on the objectives of the marketing. Objectives of marketing. What is the main aim of objectives of the marketing? In order to make the product, though the product has not been in a quality or a quantity, if we introduce the product, it has to be reached in the hands. Only if it reaches the hands only, they will know about the product. So marketing, the main aim of the marketing to sell the product. Okay, to sell the product. The first one is to sell the product for the sale, to sales. Okay, and new technological, new inventions, what all created in the market, will able to know only by through the marketing. New technologies, okay, new technology changes, okay, new products, okay, new sphere of now. The marketing has introduced what market now we can call it as e-market and e-commerce, okay. Everything is on the online. How do we know all the products? Only by promoting the advertisement, by promoting in visual images. If you go on Amazon and all, okay, that these things and all, we can know the size. Okay, we know the size, we can know the colors, okay, we can know the reviews, okay, we know the dimensions, everything is available. Okay, these are all and new technological and technological inventions have made tremendous changes in the marketing field. Okay, then it increases the sales and new technologies, and it will increase the income of the business. Income of the business. Okay. Suggest a solution. If a particular product is not moving in the market and if this product has been declined, we can analyze the reason, what is the failure for that product, what can be improved, okay, what can be improved in order to increase the sale. So suggest a solution for the product. To review the existing marketing information, okay, the product which is already available in the market, we can have some reviews about the products. Appropriate actions. We can take appropriate actions in the market. And guiding policies. It's important, okay, 3 mark, to develop the marketing field. Okay, 2, first of all, we can say to increase the sales, and new technological, tremendous changes have been involved in the marketing where we can able to know, okay, and income of the business, suggest the solution if there is a product is declined. And we can have the reviews about the existing market or existing products which are available in the market, how this particular product is more increasing the income, why the particular product has been not been aware to the consumers. We can analyze all the existing informations. and appropriate action. Okay, if the product has been declined, what should be the next step? What should be the next action in order to increase that product, in order to make the product to be entered into the market? What is the immediate actions can be taken to be known about the products? Okay, guiding policies. Okay, what is the guiding policies? Nowadays we can see, okay, in the status itself, everybody has been showing their product, what is available. Okay, what is the new products. Okay, if you can see in a particular status and all, we can see that product also which is available. Then and market and guiding fields and to increase the marketing field. Okay, now we are going to the importance of marketing. The marketing has been important for the three persons. One is for the society, one is for the government, to the individual firms. Okay, first to the society. To the society. See, I am writing in a short form, okay, in order to make you to understand. In the exam, if you are finding very difficult, you can like the keywords like this and you can explain under these concepts. Okay, to the society, it has been make us a link between the producer and the consumers. Okay, because the producer producing the goods and making the goods available to reach in the hands of the consumer. So marketing plays a link between the producer and the consumer. Okay, by availing the product, by buying the product, we can increase our standard of living. நம்மளுடைய வாழ்க்கை தரம் உயர ஆரம்பிக்குது. ஒரு பொருட்களை வாங்கும் போதும் ஒரு பொருட்கள் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வந்து அதை வந்து அதோட இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணும்போது அதோட இமேஜ், நம்மளோட இமேஜ், நம்மளோட ரெப்யூட்டேஷன்ஸ், ஓகே, பிராண்ட் இமேஜ் எல்லாமே இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. So that will increase the standard of the living. Okay, moving on to the national income. Okay, if national income can be calculated by the average per head of the person. Okay, ஒரு தனிப்பட்ட நபருடைய வருமானத்தை வச்சு கால்குலேட் பண்றது தான் நம்மளுடைய national income வளர்ந்திருக்கா வளரலையா அப்படிங்கறத கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். If we are in the available of making in a goods, ஓகேவா, சந்தை அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கும்போது தான் நம்மளால ஃபினான்ஷியலா தான் நம்மளுடைய இந்தியாவை வந்து நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியும். அதனால தான் நம்ம டெவலப்பிங்ல இருக்கோமா டெவலப்டில் இருக்கோமா கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேவா, சைக்காலஜிக்கலாக போய் நம்மளால கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, we are calculating only on the monetary terms. அப்போ monetary termsல ஒரு பொருட்களை நம்ம எவ்வளோ தூரத்துக்கு அந்த நாட்டு மக்கள் வாங்குறாங்க, அந்த பொருட்களை எப்படி உற்பத்தி பண்ணுறாங்க, அந்த பொருள் சந்தைக்கு எப்படி கொண்டு வருது, திரும்பி அந்த பொருட்கள் எப்படி போகுது அப்படிங்கிறது இட் இஸ் அ செயின் ப்ராசஸ். ஓகேவா, ஒரு பொருள் கொண்டு வந்தால் அந்த பொருள் நம்ம வாங்கணும். அந்த இட் இஸ் நம்ம கேன் சே பர்ச்சேசிங் பவர் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கேட்பாங்க. வாங்கக்கூடிய திறன் இருந்தால் தான் அந்த பொருள் நம்மளால சந்தைக்கு கொண்டு வர முடியும். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் செய்யும் போது தான் நம்மளுடைய இன்கம் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கா அப்படிங்கிறதே நம்மளால அனலைஸ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இட் இன்க்ரீசஸ் த நேஷனல் இன்கம். ஓகே, If there is a more product, it will increase the employment opportunities. Okay, through the e-commerce, it has increased the more employment opportunities. Okay, then modern cultivations and imbalances of the demand. Okay, supplying demand என்ன பண்ண முடியும் நம்மளால ஒரு balances create பண்ண முடியும். If there is a demand, we will supply the product. If there is a supply, there will be an individual firms. To the individuals. Revenue, first point is revenue to the firms. Innovations. Then development of business. Okay, to the individuals, it increases the revenue of the firms. And second point is marketing section of the firm is the source of the information to the top management for taking an overall decisions on the products. Okay, like underline each and every point. Okay, so that I'm not dictating each and every points. This is an important 5 mark. Marketing and innovations are the two basic functions of the business. The world is a dynamic. And fourth concept is marketing facilitates the development of the business and creates the employment opportunities of the firms. Okay. Today's session we have dealt about the marketing and evaluation of the marketing and the objectives of the marketing and how the marketing is useful to the society and the individual firms. Okay. Tomorrow's test is on the evaluation of the marketing, that is production orientation, sales orientation, marketing orientation, consumer orientation and the management orientation. Okay, now we are going to deal with the accountancy. Okay, accountancy, that day we have dealt about the under subscription. Now we are going to concentrate on the over subscription problem. Okay, take the problem number 3. Third problem. Saranya Limited issued at 20,000 equity shares of 10 each. The details of the amount 20,000 equity shares. On application 3, on allotment 4, on first and final call 3. The application money was received in 30,000 shares. Okay, is that? Actually, the Saranya Limited has an authorization to issue only 20,000 equity shares. But the public has received 30,000 equity shares. Excess application money was refunded immediately. Note the point. Excess application money was refunded. Okay, pass the journal entries. Okay, now listen. Actually, 20,000 only. The company has an authorization to issue only 20,000. But the public has bought for 30,000. Okay, what is the difference here? 10,000. This 10,000 money has to be refunded. Okay, 10,000 money has to be refunded because more than this 20,000 they cannot issue the shares. Okay, because its limit is 20,000 only. But the application money we received for the 30,000. So what the company is doing? They are refunding the excess money to the public. It is the information which is specifically given. Okay, excess money were refunded immediately. Okay, so pass the journal entries. Okay, the first journal entries and all, there is no problem. Okay, what is the first journal entry? Write date, particulars, LF, debit. Problem number 3, credit. Okay, the first journal entry we know, bank account to share application. Yes, am I right? Share application. Okay. You have to, now you can have an slight confusion over here whether we have to write 20,000 or 30,000. We have to write any time, okay, any time we have to write the application money only. Okay, application was received for 30,000. What is the amount that we received for the application money? That total number of the shares have to be written. Okay, so 30,000. So 30,000 only you have to write. Okay, 30,000 into, check what is the application money. Okay, it is in a 3. Okay, so write 90,000 in both the columns. Write the journal narration, application money received. Application money received. The next one is, what do you have to do? We have to transfer to the share capital. So, share application to share capital. Share capital. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. You should not write what you have written for the previous two sums. Okay. What you will write? The same value. This 90,000 you used to write in the second journal entry, but it's not like that because it is the issued shares and the public subscribed shares are going to differences. Now in the share capital, you have to write the company which have a permission to issue the shares. Okay. So you have to write 20,000 only. So 20,000 into 3. The same application money is 3 only. So 3. So 60,000. Now what they have told, we have to return the excess money. So write share application, because we have returned through the bank we have received 90,000, but the share capital actual value is 60,000. So what is the difference is 30,000. So share application, write the narration, due share application to bank. Okay, it is a reverse because the bank is refunding, okay, to the public. What is the difference? Here 20,000, here 30,000. So 30,000 minus 20,000 is 10,000. So 10,000 into 3 gives a 30,000. Okay, rupees 30,000 has to be refunded to the public of rejecting the 30,000 shares. Okay, then 10,000 shares. Next, it's the same thing. Okay, hereafter you should not consider this 30,000. You should consider only the 20,000. Okay, why? 20,000 posting இருக்கு 30,000 பேர் போட்டாங்க அப்படினா நம்மளால கொடுக்க முடியுமா? கொடுக்க முடியாது. ஓகேவா? ஆனா பணம் போட்டுட்டாங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறமா நம்ம அலாட்மென்ட் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு ஆஹா நிறைய வந்திருக்கு ஜாப்க்கான வேகன்சிஸ் வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்றாங்க? அந்த 10,000 ஜாப்ஸ் ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணி 10,000 போஸ்ட்கான பணம் வந்ததை நம்ம ரிஜெக்ட் பண்றாங்க. சோ அப்ப இனிமே நம்ம எதை கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும்? வெறும் 20,000 மட்டும் தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும். So share allotment. Okay, it's a same procedure only. Share allotment. Share allotment to share capital. Check the value. What is the share allotment values? 20,000 only. 20,000. 20,000 into 4. So that gives 80,000. Okay. Now transfer to the bank account. Bank account to share application. Sorry, allotment. Here now same value only. 20,000 only. 20 in this 80,000. Okay. The next one is share first and final call. Share first and final call is 3. So right. Share first and final call. Write the narration. Share first and final call is 4. Okay, 20 into 4. 4 or 3. As is 3. Okay, 60,000. The share value is 60,000. Transfer to the bank amount. final call. Okay, that's the end of the sum. Okay. So illustration problem, you work it out. Okay. Last videos only Devi has posted. I think that everybody is absent. Okay. So you will not post the videos. I have taught you that 2 sums on the company accounts only Devi has posted. Others nobody posted. Just observe the example and post the videos. Today's homework is commerce. Okay, evaluation of the marketing, and in the accountancy you have to write the illustration sum and post the videos. Thank you for the time sharing with me.